So guys, we have written here 4 5 6 rule for that. These are the first to give name to your variable or data, and this is your definition that will be considered your definition of your variable. When you are giving data to your variable, that will be considered as definition of your variable. Initialization is done after assignment operator, right? And then we'll print the final result on terminal. And this is structure as we discussed there before. So here we have written int because we have written up data type name will give var and will give equal assignment operator, and then we'll give 34 as a value. So this is data type int, and this is name of your variable and value of variable. After there is semicolon, and we'll bring there here as well. I have clear understanding over that. So cout, and we'll write one message value of your variable is, sorry for that, is equals to value where. So after that we'll print handle, and let's run it at what's going on. Let's save it with the name first, and after that when we save it with it, that's yes, and now print it on the terminal. So you will see the result that is been printed. Let's bring it down, and value of where is 34 equals to 34. So now we'll do one more thing. We'll write one string as well. After that we'll paste that, and we will change its variable name because we have to change the name of variable, and we'll assign it a string value mb creative programmer without space. mb creative programmer is name of our channel. So there is, we'll place semicolon at the end, and we'll do one more thing. We'll change its data type to string because that is a string, and we uploaded video on also, and data type will paste the link on the description. So let's bring it a little forward to become easier for understanding. So let's copy it, and one with the control E paste it. So one value of variable 1 is 1. So let's run it. That's what's going on here. After running this, you can clearly see that value of where 1 is equals to mb creative programmer. So in that way you can define your variable and give name to your variable. You can define more variable like within character data type or with other data types. So we'll just discuss this two here for your understanding. Next, practice that other data types by your own. That is variable name, and again explaining you that's variable 1, name of variable, assignment operator. This is also assignment operator, and after that is value of your variable, and that is also value of your variable. So these were all about your variable definition declaration. We'll also put a return that we are not having any mistake or error in our program. Thank you for watching.